local tree removal and pruning services. We are a full-service local tree removal company. We service all types of tree removal and clearing throughout the local area. We are able to remove trees from any type of situation. Our servicemen are highly trained and able to solve your tree service problems quickly and efficiently. We solve a variety of tree-related problems. We can help with a wide variety of tree services and sizes, including stump grinding. We also can solve your tree planting problems in the local area and surrounding areas. We deliver friendly and reliable local tree removal service, and our staff is professional and knowledgeable about all aspects of tree servicing and removal. We look forward to offering you the very best tree service at competitive prices, including tree removal, tree moving, pruning, soil aeration, stump grinding, bucket truck and crane, home site planning, tree planting, organic root stimulation, deep root fertilization, insect and disease control, bracing and cabling, emergency storm service, your best local tree removal and pruning services.